A plastic-free world is possible. Start with reusable choices.
A greener planet starts with you. Small changes make big waves. Save water, save life. Climate change is real. Our action to Earth can change that. If I was a superhero, I use technology powers to make robots that will go underwater and collect their garbage. If I was a superhero, I would water the flowers and water the grass and water the trees. If I had superpowers, I would be a giant, and then I would take all the trash and put it where it belongs. Plastic is killing sea life. Every recycled item counts. Save our planet by taking small steps. Plastic is also starving us. Reduce plastic out of our oceans. I want to have the power to grow trees so this world can have more trees and to make the world be a better place.
This is our call to Earth.
This is our call to Earth.
This is our call to Earth. This is our call to Earth. This is our call to Earth. This is our call to Earth. Call to Earth. This is our call to Earth. This is our call to Earth.